Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to a hidden gem on Newfoundland's Avalon Peninsula, a charming area near the town of Aquaforte. Nestled along the Irish Loop, this area is a place rich in history, natural beauty, and serene landscapes. For nature enthusiasts and hikers, Aquaforte offers access to segments of the renowned East Coast Trail. One notable path is the Mutterwit Path, a moderately challenging 3.2-mile trail that winds through lush landscapes and offers picturesque views. This trail is perfect for those seeking a peaceful hike amidst Newfoundland's natural beauty. The area around Aquaforte is adorned with beautiful waterfalls, especially along the East Coast Trail. These cascades provide tranquil spots for rest and photography, enhancing the hiking experience.
Thank you very much.
Located approximately 40 miles south of St. John's, this area near Aquaforte is accessible by road and offers a peaceful retreat from bustling city life.
Thanks for watching!